I've been outdoors in the freezing cold, and I can talk real well and then stoop with my mouth really fast. Watch this. Wait a minute. See, it doesn't affect me at all. A conflict with my remote control in the units. I've had things like this happen before. There, I'm done using my projector. I guess I'll get up and shut it off. There. What in the world is going in and out? That's weird. And the projector's back on. I'll shut that back off again. It's off. I'm not touching it. Remote control conflicts. Oh, boy.
And now for another what in the world moment.
Something that happened while I was on the phone today, and it was very annoying. Talk to my mother. Hello, how are you? Hey, wait a minute, I hear myself. I don't know why this is doing this, but this is strange. I'm sorry, but I can't talk like this. This is weird. That was one incident. Here's something else that happened while I was on the phone once. Yeah, that was an interesting moment. I remember that way back that's weird. It sounded like I was talking to a space alien, but I think both issues had something to do with the satellite signals messing up or something.